No. No. Down here is where they had the West's longest poker game, lasting 8 years, 5 months, and 3 days.
Wow.
Huh.
This is the original floor where they played. It was $1,000 buy-in back then to get into that game. In today's money, it would be around $30,000 to $40,000 to get into the game. But then you also had to have money to gamble to play during the game. A few of those people that played in that game were Luke Short, Bat Masterson, Diamond Jim Brady, that played in this game.
And I understand sometimes at night, when no one is around, you can still hear cards being shuffled and
Yes, you can.
coins clinking. And please don't do
And
that
these
while we're
are
here.
2 more bordello rooms that we have.
There's Wyatt's
Yep, see.
wife.
Yep, this was the room right here where Wyatt had his love affair with Josie.
Yeah, Josie.
Yes.
That's what I thought. Okay.
These
Yeah.
rooms down here were $45 a night because of all the luxury that you get in there.
That's- Did they change the sheets?
I'm not sure.
Wonderful.
Nice one of our butlers. And down here is our wine cellar, where they still have alcohol in these barrels, wine and whiskey still in the barrels today. So I assume that would be pretty potent
Pretty
by
potent.
now.
Or bad.
Whoa.
Yes, one or the other.
Cool.
And then the last room is down there.
Back for the cameras and the bordello. Oops, seem to be open. Cool. Wonderful.
Expanding business.
And down here is the document room of a few of the ladies that worked here in the birdcage.
Ah,
The original photos,
oh, fantastic.
or some of even the people that were here in Tombstone themselves.
Holiday. What brought the ladies out here? Cuckoo. Please don't let me
Wow.
see any family names. No, but let's see. Ooh, pretty.
Nosy Kate. Is that Big Nose Kate?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's Big Nose Kate.
Good thing she started a bar.
She
Just
was
an
quite
act.
lovely when she was younger.
Before somebody broke her nose.
Oh goodness, Charlotte Lopez was beautiful.
A good documents. A nice picture of Doc. Yeah. There she is. Celia Baylock Earp. Not much to look at.
Well, it was a bad picture. Give the girl the benefit of the doubt. No
Looks
wonder
more
she
like a
used
drawing than a
laudanum.
picture,
Well, that's the reason she was on laudanum, okay?
I guess.
Somebody.
A lot of nice documents here.
Yes, a lot.
Okay, you hold it, man. It's getting tired.
Okay.
And this completes our tour.
Yeah, you did a great job.